Published 2057 EDT, the 3rd of November 2017. Updated 0326 EDT, the 4th of November 2017. They say one should never work with children. And even the Stranger Things boys admitted this adage holds true for them after revealing show star Finn Wolfhard had them in fits of laughter due to his tendency to sneeze during filming. The 14-year-old tried to carry on regardless when the problem first reared its head as they tried to record a dramatic not to be sneezed at. Stranger Things star Finn Wolfhard had his miniature co-stars in fits of laughter due to his tendency to sneeze during filming was to dramatically say a shadow grows on the wall behind you as the show laid out its premise in a scene showing the Fantastic Foursome's characters playing Dungeons and Dragons. Finn said the thing was I don't want to get out of character to like throw off the scene, but that throws off the scene even more because I don't mention it. Caleb McLaughlin, 16, admitted he struggled to contain his laughter after he sneezed, saying that despite trying to carry on regardless, a tear comes down my eye. As if that was not enough excitement for one night, they also revealed they watched High School Musical together at Halloween, with Finn showing off his Zac Efron impression. And to top it off, they then partook in a themed game of Dance Move Generator, which featured 80s and show references. Oh boys, it is hard to believe the eldest member of the group is actually 16 years old. Strapping young lad Caleb McLaughlin is actually 2 years older than 14-year-old Finn. Stranger Things Season 2 seems to have carried on where the first series left off after the debut episode was watched by a whopping 15.8 million people according to ratings company Nielsen. However, it seems many have yet to work their way through the whole of the 9-episode series, as it is averaging a much smaller audience of 4 million viewers per episode. The show picks up a year after Will's disappearance, with the Dungeons and Dragons loving gang of boys eventually reuniting with their psychic pal Eleven, who mysteriously vanished at the end of the previous season. In the first 3 days the season debut averaged 15.8 million viewers in the US watching on television, with nearly 11 million in the 1849 demographic. As if that was not enough, 361,000 are estimated to have made their way through all 9 episodes in the first day. Here we go again. Jimmy had the lads play a themed version of Dance Move Generator. Hilarious. The screen was flipped for the upside get down dance. Shaking it. Noah Schnapp had the crowd in mild fits of giggles with his routine fun in the big city. Finn was spotted out and about in Los Angeles on Friday. Big Hit, the second season's debut episode, was watched by a whopping 15.8 million people.